We guide you through how to unblock your Payoneer account. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Payoneer account and carefully check for any notifications or emails explaining why your account was blocked or restricted. Common reasons include identity verification, missing documents, security checks, or unusual account activity. Follow the instructions provided by Payoneer and upload any requested documents, such as valid government-issued ID, proof of address, or business information, making sure everything is clear and matches the details on your account. If your account was temporarily blocked because of multiple failed login attempts, wait for the recommended time before trying again, or reset your password using the forget password option. If you don't see a specific reason for the restriction or you've already submitted the required documents, contact Payoneer Customer Care through the Help Center or live chat explaining your situation clearly and provide any additional information they request. Keep an eye on your email for updates as verification may take some time. Once Payoneer confirms your account meets all requirements, your account access will be restored if the restriction is eligible to be removed.